The last step in our quick start guide is to export the image out of the application and onto our desktop. That way we can upload it to our Facebook page. So I'm going to come up here to File and go all the way down to Export Images. And we're going to export a variant, not the original. The variant is what we worked on, so we want to export that. So I'll click on that, and we get the export dialog box. Right here, we're going to send it to our desktop, but we could choose a folder if we wanted. I'm just going to put it right on the desktop. And then I'm going to use the image name - job name for this export naming convention. So our image name is right here. We created that before, but now I'm adding the job name web onto this so that way I know that this was exported for web use. Now, how did I do that? I just clicked on these three little dots right here, and you can add anything that you want. For instance, I can just type another hyphen here, and then if I wanted to add, let's say, creator, then I would just drag that right up there, just like that, and click OK. There we go. See? I don't want that, though, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and just go with the web. But you see that you have control over the naming convention of your export. Then we come down to our recipe. We're going to export as a JPEG, but we have these other options. I want a nice high quality, so I'm going to put it at 80. Since it's going online, we're going to use sRGB for our color space. I use Adobe RGB more for printing and sRGB more for online work. Then for our size, I want to control the long edge, so I'll click on that, and we'll make it 2048 on the long edge. That's a good size for Facebook. We're not going to open it up with any other applications. One other tab here I want to show you is over here in Adjustments, where we have Output Sharpening. So here I can choose Output Sharpening for screen. I'll go ahead and set it at 40. This looks good right here. Since we're sampling down, sometimes it's good to add a little bit of sharpening. We're going to do that. All right, we're ready to go. I'm just going to click Export One Variant. The application will apply all of my image edits and all of my export commands and create one file. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. Here is our file right here. Let's double click on it, open it up in preview, and there is our file. Let's do Command I, and we can see that it's 2048 on the long side, sRGB. Everything is looking really good. Has all of our metadata, has my IPTC data, so it has my copyright and all that good stuff right there. Excellent. We are in great shape. I can now upload this to Facebook, write a nice little caption, and move on to my next task.